Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set Mico app to full screen display. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. Now select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in Mico and perform your search. Tap on Mico application. Scroll down until you find full screen mode option. To set Mico app to full screen display, enable full screen mode option. And this is how you can set Mico app to full screen display. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.